9 Health benefits of coconut milk. Coconut milk is not just a tasty and versatile ingredient, it also offers a variety of health benefits. Here's why you should consider including coconut milk in your diet and daily routines. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Coconut milk is a great source of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, particularly lauric acid, which the body easily absorbs and uses for energy. These fats can enhance metabolism and provide sustained energy throughout the day. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Lauric acid in coconut milk has potent antimicrobial properties that help combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This supports a stronger immune system and helps protect against infections. 3. Promotes heart health. Coconut milk can improve cholesterol levels by increasing good cholesterol, HDL, and possibly lowering bad cholesterol, LDL. This contributes to better cardiovascular health. 4. Improves digestion. The fiber in coconut milk aids digestion, prevents constipation, and may help reduce symptoms of digestive issues by soothing gut inflammation. 5. Supports weight management. The MCTs in coconut milk can promote a sense of fullness, helping reduce overeating and snacking, which may assist in maintaining a healthy weight. 6. Enhances skin and hair health. Coconut milk is a natural moisturizer that can be applied directly to the skin and hair for amazing results. For skin, use coconut milk as a gentle cleanser or add it to your bath water for soft and hydrated skin. It can reduce dryness, soothe sunburn, and help alleviate irritation caused by conditions like eczema or psoriasis. For hair, apply coconut milk directly to your scalp and hair as a natural conditioner. Massage it into the scalp to reduce dandruff and dryness, then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. It strengthens hair, restores shine, and promotes healthy hair growth. 7. Packed with nutrients. Coconut milk contains vital vitamins C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6, and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining overall health. 8. Lactose-free and vegan-friendly. As a plant-based option, coconut milk is an excellent dairy alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or following a vegan diet. 9. Reduces inflammation. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, coconut milk helps decrease inflammation, which can benefit individuals dealing with conditions like arthritis. How to incorporate coconut milk into your routine. Diet. Add coconut milk to smoothies, soups, curries, or use it as a dairy substitute in baking. Skincare. Use coconut milk directly on the skin for hydration or mix it with turmeric for a natural face mask. Hair care. Create a hair mask by blending coconut milk with honey or olive oil for deep conditioning. With its impressive nutritional profile and natural benefits for skincare and hair care, coconut milk is more than just an ingredient, it's your ultimate health and beauty ally. Make it a part of your diet and daily routine to experience its full range of advantages. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more interesting videos.